नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. Today, 8th day of Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Brahmotsavam. So let's offer our devotion to Paramashiva and then enter into the satsang.
ॐ धूरसिधूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूरतन्योऽस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वयं वयं दूर्वामस्त्वं देवानां सिदस्नितमं वप्रतमं जुस्तुतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममृतमतिर्हृदानं दृगम्भस्वमात्वा प्रेक्ष्येर्माभिर्मासं विक्तामात्वाहिकं शिशं श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमो नमः। धूपम् आघ्रापयामि। अथ दीपः ॐ उत्थीप्यस्वजातवेदावग्नं निर्हृतिं मम वासो गुष्यमख्यमावह जीवनं चितिशोदश मानोहिकं सीर्जातवेदो गामस्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिद्बृतग्नागहि श्रियामः परिपातय। श्रीनित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमो नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। ॐ वं अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणि अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमो नमः। अमृतं महानैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। आरात्रिकम् ॐ सोमो वा एतस्य राज्यमाधत्ते यो राजासन् राज्यो वा सोमे नेजते देवसुवा मेधानि हवीगुंसि भवन्ति एतावन्तो वै देवानागुंसवाः ते वास्मै सवान् प्रयच्छन्ति तेन पुनः सुवन्ते राज्याय देवसुराजा भवति। श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवाय नमो नमः। नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। कर्पूरघोरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरुनित्यानन्दाय नमः। नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि।
Let's enter into today's webinar. Subject for today's webinar: communication in relationships. How to have successful relationship with anyone. First, I will reveal what Paramashiva reveals. The sacred secrets to have successful relationship with yourself. Listen intensely. Your body evolved various levels from amoeba to fish, fish to monkey, monkey to man, and still it is evolving. This process is called mutation and natural selection. For example, based on the situation, for your survival need, your body goes through a process called natural selection, and your DNA gets better and better with this natural selection process. Unfortunately, still human beings are not realizing the truth. You are totality of the evolved body and descended consciousness. Please listen. You are totality of evolved body and descended consciousness. You are not just evolved from monkey, just an evolved body. Evolution theory is not wrong, but not complete. Listen to the truth. How the body evolves with the process called mutation and natural selection. That's the words scientists are describing as a reason for our body, our system evolving, and DNA having breakthroughs. Just like evolved body, the descended consciousness have its own process. Descended consciousness has its own process. In the body, it's called natural selection. In the level of consciousness, I'll give this process, the equivalent of the natural selection process happening in the level of superconscious descending. I'll give the title of, listen carefully, conscious decision. In natural selection, you have to select from available options. In conscious decision, everything is possible for you. There is no limited options presented in front of you. There is no such thing as here there are million options, choose from this. No. Only in the body level, physical level, million options are presented and you are asked to choose anyone. That is what is called natural selection, based on the situation, survival of the fittest, and multiple reasons you do natural selection. But the descendants of the superconsciousness, it's a conscious decision. The good news is this moment you can decide to be liberated. There is no step by step. This moment consciously you can declare, I am unclutched. Then the pure superconsciousness will just blast your whole body and DNA and alter it to the level for the superconsciousness, Paramashiva, to manifest his glory, the state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, and being of Paramashiva. Listen. Natural selection and conscious decision, if you understand these two, you know how to create a right communication and relationship with you. If you cognize yourself only as a descended consciousness, you are not complete. If you cognize yourself only as a evolved DNA means evolved body. Primate species, you are not complete. You are neither just an evolved body nor descended consciousness. You are both. If you understand you are a descended consciousness, you will blast yourself within the system you are carrying. You will explode yourself within the system you are carrying. You will alter the whole system from natural selection to conscious decision. Understand? If you are too much cognizing yourself as a body, you will push even super consciousness to the natural selection process. If you cognize yourself too much as descended consciousness, you will liberate even your body with a conscious decision process. Understand these two: natural selection and conscious decision. See every day in your life how your life is flowing. Is it more natural selection based or conscious decision based? In reality, you are consciousness and body together. Even after liberation, as long as your body is functioning, you are together. The good news is you can open the floodgates of consciousness and blast your whole system with that super consciousness. Then even your body will start acting in the level of conscious decision instead of natural selection. This natural selection and mutation is one of the main reason why I strongly recommend you stop eating meat immediately. Please do not consume meat, because when your body need to do the natural selection, if the options of the biomemories and muscle memories of animals are available to you, you tend to choose naturally those options which manifest the qualities which are too cheap and low. I don't know how to tell you. It really destroys your growth and pushes you back, almost like you lose 1,000 years of your natural growth. You are stuck into the janana marana, janma samsara, janana marana chakra, birth and death. Your liberation is delayed, postponed, pushed. You downgrade your existence through meat eating. Please understand. I'm not saying don't eat meat because I'm a Hindu religious leader. I am saying don't eat meat because it stops your conscious evolution. It stops you getting liberation, manifesting the state, space, powers, and being of Paramashiva. First thing you need to clear, stitch, heal within yourself is through your conscious decision, make even natural selection process as conscious decision. In natural selection process, stop giving cheap options to yourself by becoming vegetarian and by bringing a living Hinduism lifestyle, charya, in your life. Making yourself organic, vegetarian, eating as Paramashiva reveals, doing yoga as Paramashiva revealed, connecting with Paramashiva through the kriyas like puja, homa. All these gives right higher level options for your natural selection process. But the conscious decision, if you start practicing, it gives you a real breakthrough. You are not functioning anymore with the natural selection process. You start functioning in conscious decision process. It's not that your DNA gets as a better DNA. It just gets a breakthrough DNA. Paramashiva's DNA. Understand? Whoever experiences that conscious decision in their very core DNA level, they are incarnations. It is possible for you. It is possible for you. Decide, continuously hold that conscious decision, you are Paramashiva. And tell Paramashiva, Prabhu, Mahadeva, I know you reside in me. I invoke you with all my being. Please open up. Let your conscious decision capacity manifest in my DNA and upgrade myself from the natural selection process to conscious decision process. Listen. You do not need anything more than consciously deciding Paramashiva. He is waiting to manifest in you the moment you decide Him. Today, make this decision. I decide consciously, let ultimate God, Paramashiva, manifest in me. I may not be educated about His qualities, His identities, but that does not keep Him away from me. My ignorance is no way interfering my decision to invoke Him in my being. I know something exists which is ultimate, which is source of everything. So let that manifest in me. I am consciously deciding this is more than enough for you. Because He is not waiting for a perfect call, He is waiting for a conscious call. Understand? No 911 call can be a perfect, hello, how are you? Are you doing well? How is your wife? And how is your father-in-law, daughter-in-law, mother-in-law? No. All 911 calls are from anxiety, from distress, from suffering, asking to save. Paramashiva knows every call we make to Him is a 911 call. He does not expect perfection. He expects consciousness. That's all. Listen carefully. I'll give you the essence. Your body evolves goes through the process of mutation and natural selection. That is the way from a one cell, your supreme mechanism on the planet Earth has evolved. The body you are carrying has evolved. The consciousness from Paramashiva as a super consciousness, it descends, and you are both together. You are not just body, you are body also. Now, by invoking this conscious being, Paramashiva, you are letting him manifest his quality of conscious decision as a default natural functioning mechanism of your DNA instead of natural selection methodology. In natural selection methodology, you can only select from any available possibility, and permutation combination of that. It will only lead to only growth, maximum good growth, that's all. But if you allow this conscious decision process of Paramashiva in you, by invoking him, connecting with him, declaring oneness with him, declaring your integrity and allegiance to Mahadeva, Paramashiva, just the very declaration is enough, because he is waiting. With the declaration, he rushes into you, gushes into you. He just opens the floodgates and explodes into you and changes your DNA's natural selection methodology to conscious decision methodology. Understand, when your DNA decides to shift from natural selection to conscious decision, you manifest powers. Because power manifestation is a breakthrough, not growth. Now what I am talking is real initiation into Hinduism. Only when you understand what I am talking now, you are initiated into Hinduism. This is the real introduction to living Hinduism. No words minced. I'm a ferocious guy. Ferocious people doesn't know to mincing the words. I'm Shivagana. I don't know how to mince words. Understand? Declare your integrity to Paramashiva consciously and tell him, I really don't know how you look, your qualities, qualifications, identity, all that. But I know something superior exists, something ultimate exists, which is source for everything. Me, everything, my thought, our thought currents and whatever, this world or universe or the hills, ocean and nature, planets, for everything, I know the source exists. And I know that Paramashiva, that source, is waiting to manifest itself in us for our conscious decision of choosing him. Understand? A simple conscious decision can really shift you from natural survival process to conscious decision process. And your whole DNA gets upgraded. Your whole system gets upgraded. Your body, your internal organs, your intra-organs, your consciousness, your will persistence, your everything gets upgraded. It is like Paramashiva starts breathing through you. He starts beating your heart. He starts moving your blood. He starts functioning in your Jataragni intestine. He starts filling prana in your lungs. He starts moving your muscles with energy. He creates thought currents in your brain. He creates, he operates, he manifests. From the methodology of conscious decision, not natural selection. This breakthrough is what is initiation. If you experience this breakthrough, you are called Dvija, initiated into Hinduism. Today, with His grace, because He has gracefully blessed me, authorized me to initiate the whole universe, beings, all the beings who are interested, who wants to. I'll initiate all of you with this one powerful cognition. Sit with your head, neck, spine straight. This is going to prepare you for Paramashivoham. A real grand preparation for Paramashivoham. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Integrate your body, mind, thought currents, emotions, identity, being. Intensely hum the Mahavakya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. We all declare our allegiance to you, our integrity to you. Declare your integrity to Paramashiva. Let us declare our integrity to Paramashiva. Let us pray to Him to manifest Himself in all of us. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let Paramashiva manifest Nityananda in all of us. Make the conscious decision as a default process in our body, physical body, internal organs, intra-organs, consciousness, mana, chitta, buddhi, indriya, karmendriya, jnanendriya, in everything Let this Paramashiva's conscious decision process manifest and be operated by Paramashiva himself directly. Let Paramashiva manifest his state, space, powers and being in all of us. Let his DNA manifest in our DNA. Let the natural selection process be replaced by conscious decision process of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let Paramashiva manifest his conscious decision process as prana in our lungs and blood in our body, life in our heart and Jadaragni in our intestine, as being in our whole system. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Declare, let's all declare our integrity to Paramashiva and connect with him. Paramashivoham. Request and pray to him to manifest in all of us. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
Let Paramashiva manifest in all of us, initiate all of us into conscious decision process and manifest Himself in all of us.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddha Advaita Saivam Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.